The future is AI, and that will kick your virtual assistant job away. Mawawalan ka na ng trabaho. O ba't napanood mo pa to? Wala dyan, true ba? True ba sinasabi mo? Hey guys, it's Sean from Barangay VA Community and welcome to my new video, this 2026 second video this year. And today po usapan natin, totoo bang hindi na okay mag-virtual assistant ngayong 2026 dahil tumataas na o dumadami ng AI at kinakain ng trabaho natin? Totoo ba yon? Panoorin natin to, let's go. Pag-usapan muna natin, ano bang AI, diba? Ito isang smart robot helper, okay? It can do simple jobs as all the repetitive tasks like messaging, sending reminders, answering basic questions, automating. So, ito yung mga nagagawa niya para sa buhay natin, no? Para sa mga kliyente natin. But VAs, so VAs are real people, okay? These are people who can help business owners grow using their real brains. VAs can fix problems. VAs can think and make good choices, diba? AIs cannot care and think like how people does. While the impact of AI and the capability of AI ay talagang gumagaling at lumalakas habang tumatagal, hindi pa rin yung reason kung bakit tatanggalin or clients will still focus on AI versus hiring their own VAs. Because just like people, AIs can make mistakes. Kailangan din ng AI ng someone who's an expert to drive that tool to make sure na, alam mo yun, we can get the maximum capacity of that specific AI tool and get that impact that we want. So these are 5 reasons why it's still safe to become a virtual assistant this 2026, okay? Kahit tumataas na o dumadami na ang mga AI tools na ito. Number 1 is AI is a helper, not your boss. AI can help you with easy work, but you are still in charge. Ikaw ang magdadrive nito, te. Ikaw, nasa kamay mo. VAs will tell what AI should do and will check kung tama bang ginagawa niya. Number 2 is people still need people. Clients want real humans who can, like, number 1, listen, understand, and care. Diba? AI cannot feel or build friendships. Wala. As in, dead makomato sila, mami. Kumbaga sila plug and play, type mo, gawa nila, tapos na. Tayo, kaya natin magmahal. Charing! Number 3, VAs does the thinking jobs. VAs will fix the problems, VAs will fix plans or make plans, and VAs will help business grow. Yes, you can search for strategies online, pero ikaw pa rin yung magpuput together and mag-implement ng lahat ng mga ito. AI cannot think like a human brain. Always remember that. Number 4, with the rise of AI, mas dumadami rin ang mga jobs. Nagkakaroon na ng specialty jobs na dadagdagan. Nagkaroon na ng AI helper VAs, online business assistant, creative VAs, nagkakaroon na parang Monday expert or nagkakaroon ng go high level expert, mga ganun bagay. Expert in this type of tools na VA. So, nagkakaroon na ng ganun. Dumadami na sila, dumadami yung opportunity. At ito yung nagiging trend ngayon, VAs who are expert on specific tools and AI tools, most especially. Habang dumadami ang AI tools, mas maraming taong kailangan ng help sa back-end. Diba? Para ma-market, para mag-run yung operations, para mag-develop ng mga app na ito, mas marami pa rin VA na kailangan behind the scenes to make that app work and happen. The job is changing, not disappearing. Nag-evolve lang siya. And number 5, VAs who learn and knows how to innovate will always have work. Every year, we see to it that we improve, that we learn new tools para hindi kami mapag-iwanan talaga. So, my suggestion number 1, learn AI tools and improve skills. Okay? Kung gusto nyo makapasok ng mas madali ngayon dito sa VA world, no? This 2026, learn a specific in-demand tool, use it yourself, i-maximize nyo, pag-aralan nyo, i-document nyo, show it in social media. Kung gumawa ka ng tutorial, dude, pagkakakitaan mo yan. Pag naging expert ka dito, label yourself as Cambular expert. Cambular is the name of the AI tool. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, pwede ka na makakuha ng kliyente after nyan. Kasi ito yung future, Always remember, AI plus VA equals a very strong team. And the future belongs to the VAs who grow, learn, and adapt. Hence, hindi totoo yung sinabi ko kanina, being a VA in 2026 is still a smart and safe plan. You are not too late. Kailangan mo lang makasabay sa pagbabago. Kami rin, kailangan naman pagsabayan sa mga bago. That's why we're learning a lot of things right now. We're learning more tools right now. We want to make sure na talagang relevant kami hanggang dulo. That's it for me for today. Maraming salamat. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!